This is about keeping students in our public school classrooms safe for this school year.
The Manitoba Teachers Society's provincial executive voted unanimously in support of stronger health measures, calling for all public school employees to be fully vaccinated when school starts in September. MTS President James Bedford says it's more important than ever to have a motion for a back-to-school vaccine requirement.
We want to respect those who are medically ineligible for a vaccination. We want to respect those with religious beliefs. And we said we can easily put rapid testing in place for those who are ineligible for vaccination.
A high percentage of students will be unvaccinated going into the school year simply because they are ineligible to get the vaccine. Bedford says with the highly contagious Delta variant taking over around the world, he says it's important to keep these students safe.
Seeing the news that's flowing out of a few other jurisdictions where school is already open, we're seeing rapid spread of the Delta virus within that school setting. We don't want that to happen in Manitoba because that then puts all Manitobans at risk by putting our health system at risk. And we saw how close things were earlier this year.
The call for vaccines for those staff that are able to, with reasonable accommodations for those who are not, is exactly what was needed. Now we just need the government to follow.
Teacher Mike Morose is happy to see the MTS putting forward this call, but is still questioning how safe he feels going into the upcoming school year.
We're only as safe as all of the appropriate steps that have been taken. And as long as there's some that haven't been taken, then we're less safe than we ought to be, right? So, no, I'd be glad to get back in the classroom with my colleagues, back with my students. But this would be some additional security for us for sure.
Bedford says the message is simple.
We want to protect our students. We want to protect the public education system, and we want to make sure that we have a public education system that's going to serve the province well throughout the next school year. And this is a way to do that.
In Winnipeg, Alex, Karpa City News.